Hello everyone, this is CJ Soriel and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a tender juicy pork steak. So the first thing we're gonna do is to make the marinade sauce. So you can see that I have 2 pork steaks and a bowl. And we're gonna start by mixing all our ingredients.
Dark soy sauce. Then I have 1/4 cup of calamundin or calamansi, but you can use lemon juice. And I have 1/2 cup of tomato ketchup, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, tablespoon of liquid seasoning, ground black pepper, and then we have salt. I'm gonna be using pink salt. If hindi lang ordinary salt, it's fine. A teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder, have a tablespoon of granulated sugar. Pwedeng brown sugar, it's fine. Pwede ding white sugar. I prefer white sugar or granulated sugar. And meron tayong lemon lime. Half lang ang can. Mga 100 ml. And stir lang natin. And done. So once our sugar is dissolved, itry lang natin. So kulang pa ang lemon, so I'm gonna add more lemon juice. Now we can start marinating a pork. So at least 1 hour, no? Marinate lang natin for at least 1 hour. Ayan.
So after 1 hour of marinating our steaks, heat up some oil and we're gonna brown our pork steaks. Then after browning our pork steak, we're gonna add our marinade sauce. Cover lang natin and we're gonna simmer it for 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye for now.